The immobilisation we've added to this 2025 Volkswagen Transporter works very much the same way as the same system we installed on the Full Transit Custom new shape 2025 onwards. So engine running, no problem at all. So when you turn the engine off, open the driver's door, immobilisation armed is acknowledged by 2 flashes of the indicator warning lights. To disarm the system, once you're back in the vehicle, we're going to turn the ignition on. We're going to put our code in using a sequence of button pushes. You can have up to 20 button pushes. We typically use 4 or 5 of the existing vehicle's buttons. So if I put the code in, you watch the warning lights there on the dashboard. There we go. So now foot on the brake, start the vehicle. So easy to disarm, arms automatically, keeping the vehicle secure every time it's left.